how I earn over 100 Ghana cedis every day on my WhatsApp status. Now, this is my WhatsApp status, and all what I've been posted on my WhatsApp status is about business only. So as you can see, I have monetized my WhatsApp status. This is how I'm able to earn over 100 Ghana cedi every day, and this is what I do. Okay, I have series of videos on how to monetize your WhatsApp status, how to make money on WhatsApp. I'll pin those videos in the description, so you just take those information that I provided in that video, just put that information into practice, and you are also going to earn a lot of money from your WhatsApp status. You'll be able to turn your contacts into customers. So this is my WhatsApp status, and as you can see, my WhatsApp status is all about business. Okay, so guys, just follow the steps in the video in the description to also get started. See you in the next video. Bye bye.